Hello, this is Meal app for Coding Ninja skill test. Here we can search any meal which we want to search and it will show the meal in card format like this. And this is our favorite section. If we add favorite to any meal like this, then it will make the card here in favorite section, and we can remove it also by clicking another time. If we want to know more about meals, then click know more details, and it will show the instruction how we can make. And if we want to watch the video on YouTube, click here in YouTube.
Now, I thought
it
today.
will it will show the video, start playing the video. And this is our JS code. Fetch meal from API is a async function that takes two parameters, URL and get value. It uses the fetch function to make get request to the specified URL, appending the value parameter to the end value like we will search here. Then it awaits the response and parse it as JSON and return the resulting data. And this is our show meal function. It show all the meal card in main according to the search input value. Show meal list is a function that is triggered when a user enter a search query in an input field with id my search. It retrieves the search query using get element by id as well as an array of favorite meals from local storage using local storage dot get item. It then construct a URL and make a call to fetch meal from API with the URL and search query. Once the data is retrieved, it check if there are any meals matching the search query. If there are, it iterate over each meal and construct a HTML card with the meal image, name, and two buttons. One to view more detail and one to add or remove the meal from the favorite list. If the meal is already in favorite list, the heart button will be active, otherwise it will be inactive. There are no meals matching the search query. It construct the meal you are looking for was not found error message. Like if we, then it will show like this if it not found. Finally, it set HTML content to an element with id main to be constructed HTML. Now this function, it is add remove to favorite list. It add and remove the meals to favorite list. This code takes one parameter id. It retrieve an array of favorite meal from local storage using local storage dot get item, and it parse it as JSON using JSON parse. Then it check if the id parameter is already in array by iterating over the array using a for loop and comparing each element to the id parameter. If the id parameter is already in array, it remove it using array splice and set the message with alert saying that the meal was removed from the favorite list. If the id parameter is not already in array, it added using array.post and set a message with alert saying that the meal was added to favorite list. Finally, it stores the updated array to favorite meals back in local storage using local storage.set item and call two functions, show meal list which we have discussed earlier and show favorite meal list to update the UI. This is the function show meal detail. It will show the detail when we click on more detail button, then it will show like this. This is the HTML code. When it will be triggered, it will do something like this. Then it will update the HTML code by using get element by id. And this is the function show favorite meal list. It show the favorite meals in favorite bar. This Here, this is the HTML code which will be fetched if there are no favorite meal added. If we remove all, then this is how it will look. And if there are elements, then it will show like earlier. Here it will update the HTML code. Thank you.